Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from a beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject today, and I'm a photographer. I run a portrait studio. This is one of them, one of these works. Well, I have this image, and also I made this line pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter code Find Edges, and I'm going to try watercolor drawing type image on this. Well, let's get started. I'm going to change the blend mode first on this pencil drawing type image. I'm going to normal to darken, change that blend mode, then go down to about 50% off, down. Then I'm going to tone down this base image also, about half, 50%. Then I'm going to move this layer, which I painted on watercolor, in between these two images. And well, I'm going to use watercolor brush, watercolor wash flat first, and skin tone. Very nice, healthy skin tone first on this layer. Well, girl has highlight on this side, so I'm gonna put cheek around now. Okay. Little bigger. I'm going to blend later with water, so I'm just put on the watercolor paint, touch dark. Okay, and this side. Okay, now turn down. Then I'm going to add water to blend. Okay, I'm gonna add, I'm gonna dry this, then I'm gonna draw eyes and lips, add layer, then choose a basic watercolor brush, go a little more darker, well, what a round detail. Now back to basic watercolor brush to draw eyes. Okay, then lips, highlight first, lips, and blend here. Okay, I'm gonna use eraser tool, small, then erase this. Okay, I'm gonna go hair color now on this face. I'm gonna layer for hair. Okay, I'm gonna add this. Now once dried, now I'm going to change. This is hair and the face and skins. Oops, too much water. Now once dried. Okay, now flower accessories. Okay, I think this is a little bit thick. Okay, I'm gonna change, merge down to vase. I'm gonna add some more. I forgot the eyebrow touch. Okay, accessories, add layer. Yeah, flower. Okay, I'm gonna add some dry first, then add more darker green. Okay, I'm gonna tone this one down. Accessories, just a touch more. Okay. Now I'm gonna paint it on dress on this skin tone. Well, I'm gonna put on this here. Watercolor, a little more green. Okay, almost done for little girl. Now I'm gonna put some background color, add. Now I'm gonna create empty mask, then invert mask. Use the painting to wet brush too. Okay, reveal. Now I'm gonna make mask on this here to create empty mask, then hide some. Too thick, I think. I'm gonna create empty mask on this too. Then hide this one too. Yeah, that's natural, I think. Then I'm gonna hide this one too, shows more paint. And also the black, dark. So I'm gonna make mask, create empty mask again, then hide this black image here. And also a little bit turn down the black lines, pencil drawing type. I don't need this black pencil drawing type stuff. Okay, tone down just a touch. Okay, pretty much done. Yeah, okay, now I guess that's it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate the support, and see you next time, guys. Have a nice day. Bye now. Ciao.